Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. Happy Ramadan, dear students. May the blessing of Ramadan be on us and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our prayers and fasts. Dear students, let's move towards our today assessment. Our learning outcomes for this session: to measure, compare, add and subtract weight and capacity. To identify, represent and estimate numbers using different representation. Let's move toward question number 1. The chart below shows the weight of the animals on Three Hills farm. As children, you can see here different animals. So, question number 1, part A. Which is the heaviest animal on Three Hills farm? You can see different animal names are here. Again, look at the chart carefully and find out. B part, on this farm, the hen is dash kg lighter than the cow. Estimate and find out. Part C. Fatma takes care of animals on Three Hills farm. She weighs 15 kg less than the horse. What is the total weight of Fatima? Find out. Question number 2. When I am trying to find out how much an object weighs or how much matter it has, I am measuring. So what I am measuring? Capacity, length or weight? Find out. Our question number 3. From the given figure, find the weight of each apple. So students, you have to find out the weight of each apple. Question number 4. What is the abbreviation or short form for liter? Find out and circle it. 5. Which capacities are written in order from greatest to least? So students, read carefully and circle the correct one. Question number 6. Convert 56 kilogram to grams. The answer is already here. Read carefully and circle it. Question number 7. Which operation will convert grams to kilograms? Multiply or divide? You have to decide. Question number 8. How many grams are there in a kilogram? Find out. Number 9. Arisha bought a 2-liter bottle of soda. How many milliliter of soda were in the bottle? The options are here. Read carefully and circle it. Question number 10. A bottle holds 1 liter of water. Fiza fills 3 glasses with water from the bottle. Each glass is filled with 300 milliliter of water. How much water is left in the bottle? Find out and circle the correct answer. Question number 11. The capacity of a drum is 200 liter. It contains 123 liters of water. How much more water is required to fill it? So, find out. Question number 12. Ariba is preparing a fruit salad for iftar. She buys 1 kg grapes, half kg apples, 1 kg pears and 300 grams strawberries. Find out the total weight of fruits bought. So now our next question is, Ahmed has 3 parcels. Parcel B weighs the twice as parcel A. Parcel A weighs 250 gram. How much does parcel C weigh? So, look at the picture carefully, observe and then estimate. Next question. Which of the following are correct? Tick the correct one only. The first one has been done for you. Our question number 15. Fatima measured her dog's tail when he was still a puppy. On his first birthday, she measured his tail. It was 24 centimeters long. The new measurement was 60 centimeters long. How long did it grow? Find out. Question number 16. Which of the following could be used to solve this problem? Muhammad had a birthday party. He had 30 candy pieces to share with himself and 4 friends. How many pieces of candy would each person get? Find out. Question number 17. Which operation, which working should be used to solve the problem? Ms. Shaima has 18 students in her class. She split them into 6 equal groups. How many students does she have per group? Find out. Question number 18. Count the squares. So dear children, count the squares. Into how many equal groups of 4 can the square be divided? Answer is already here, just you have to find out. Question number 19. Which of the following numbers will not round to 400 when rounding to the nearest 100? Number 20. Myra began painting at 10 a.m. and finished at 5 p.m. How long was she painting? So calculate the time. Our last question. How much must each snake grow to reach 1 meter? You can see we are having here two snakes. The first one is 65 centimeter and the next one is 38 centimeter. So how much must each snake grow to reach 1 meter? Solve carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.